Unboxing and review of Bose Quiet Comfort Ultra.
Detail video. It has driver 35 mm. Active noise cancellation. Battery life 24 hours, ANC on. Weight 0.6 pound to 50 g. Connectivity Bluetooth 5.3. 2.5 mm audio jack. USB-C for charging. Pros. Plus fantastic, detailed sound with rich bass. Plus class-leading noise-stopping power. Plus comfortable and premium with folding design. Plus great smart features.
24-hour battery life is weak. Some will prefer a more neutral sound. No USB-C audio input. No LE audio support, but it's promised.